it's Mike Haddad. Today we got a small little bird. It's only 8 feet. And the good thing about this bird is got small little control surface. And also we have a hatch. We're going to be dropping some eggs today. And here's our hatch. We're going to fill it with a couple of eggs and some kind of few things. And just hope for the best. So therefore, we're going to put some more packing. And the only thing packing we got is these small little
poppers,
of whatever you call it, pop-ups, or so we're gonna go with one box filled. Whoops, it's okay. It was designed to come loose.
Fall apart.
If it didn't fall apart while then we're gonna put an egg. There you go, a whole full egg. Whoops, and we're gonna pack the egg with a strawberry, and so this way the hatch will be all nice and close. There you go. And we're just going to take off and hope for the best. And Steve here is going to do the honor of tossing the bird maybe for us. Will that be possible, Steve?
Sure.
There's really nothing to it, let me make sure.
That's a big bird, man.
We don't want to give it too much toss because last time the eggs came off, so I'm going to let... He looks like a hunter.
Yeah. Is that a hunting dog?
I'll twist around the sun. There you go. It's okay. You ready, Leon?
Let's go.
There you go. There you go. Can you see the egg? Oh! I've seen the egg went into about 100 pieces.
That was a good one.
Shot.
I think I got it this time.
Oh, did you?
Oh, yeah.
It went scattered. I have a whole carton if you want to try.
How many can you put in there at once?
You know what? I'm going to put 2 now or 3.
He might be a little slow.
Abby! No! Abby! Sorry. I'm going to twist around right now. Okay. Oh no, Abby, no. No.
Is that his design or?
I don't know. Abby!
Exactly.
I think it'd read better if you hit here, like you're doing.
Okay, we're coming down.
Dive bird!
See if you can save it coming down.
Abby!
They're launching the anti-aircraft.
Here's what? Let's see what these dogs are gonna do. I'll come down and see. That's what we're aiming for. That's exactly what we want. Did you get that?
Yeah, that was funny.
That was graceful.
Oh, did you get that on video?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, dude, that's awesome. She took a chunk out of it.
Took a
big
chunk out of it.
That's a good dog. Thank you.
Name the dog Blonde.
What's that? Is that your dog? No, it is. He's going to pay for the plane. Okay.
Look at that.
That was cool.
That is so graceful.
Well, thank
Awesome
you.
design, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. These are 4 parachutes going down to the Rose Bowl.
That's a good zoom, though. You got a lot more zoom on your. You get a lot more zoom on your camera in movie mode.
And there's one right above him also. They're kind of circling.
You know, there was another guy. Yeah, there was another guy that landed.
Oh, Leon, you can do it better from here. Just wait till they get here.
Sweet, check that out.
Oh my God. This is nice. Woo! Oh. Yeah, they're right above you.